Hello guys, today I will tell you how you can use codeforces in dark mode. So first open your browser and then you need to download the dark reader extension. And select your browser and just add to Chrome, and if you use Brave then also you have to add to Chrome only. Let it download. Then you have came to codeforces and it is in automatically in dark mode. If you want to off dark mode, then just go to dark reader and off it, turn it off, then it will be in light mode. To do it in dark mode, turn it again on. Thank you guys.